Welcome back to another video of TechOver. Today in this video I just want to show you how we can convert the text to a video. So if you have a story, just want to change that to a video, you want to upload that to your social media account, or you want to use it anywhere, you can use this AI tool, which is Novi AI. You can create your story by typing your main sentence, right? I just want to type here, I go to school. You can see this is the main part of my story. I'm just going to choose the article style. I'm going to choose feel good. And you can see this is my story just created by AI tool in a second. So I'm going to copy this. If I just want to make a video from this story, I have to go click over here. And you can see we're gonna paste that text we got from story creation. And now what you're going to do, just have to choose the video style here you have. And I'm going to choose ink landscape. After that we have sound style. So you can choose any sound you want.
Abandon.
And we have the screen setting. So we go back for video style and I'm going to choose this one. Go click on continue and you're going to start the video and it will just create your video in a minute. And you can see my video is going to be ready and I'm just going to play it. Let's see how is it.
I drove my car to school this morning. Once at my reflect school, I immediately felt that my new car. I turned to find a group of friends I had known since grade.
As you can see, I just type only the main part of my story. This AI tool create my story. After that, I just copy the story and I just create my video with this AI tool. And this is a very amazing thing I've seen just in AI tools. So this is all about how we can convert a text to a video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.